Hi, my name is Chris. I'm the Technical Manager for K2 Audiovisual, and today I want to show you one of our most exciting projects to date. Late last year, K2AV was approached to tender for the design, construct and commission of one of the largest abstract video walls in the country for a Tier 1 mining and resource corporation. We sat down with the team and spent hours upon hours researching, tweaking the design and getting the submission just right. The tender stated that innovation was essential and the client wanted the latest technology. Once we were confident we had the design right, we submitted our proposal. Finally, we heard back in April this year that K2 Audiovisual was successful and we were awarded the contract. I polled members of an exclusive audiovisual group, one that I and hundreds of engineers around the world are part of. Through this, combined with my research, I arrived at a software company called Audiovisual based in the US, and it seemed to be the ideal solution.
Chris reached out to Audiovisual in late 2019 and we discussed the project. From the description, I knew this was a great fit for a visual networking platform and a project I look forward to working with Chris on. Audiovisual has deployed a large number of video walls globally, but nothing in an abstract format of this size. My team worked hand in hand with K2AV from project design, deployment, commissioning, and training the customer on how to use and configure content on the wall. We're extremely proud of the final results and our partnership with K2AV.
An advantage of the Audiovisual platform was there was no requirement for complex or expensive video extenders. We simply streamed the content from the server to each of the single displays. We set up a server room just behind the video wall. We then connected the server to a 48-port network switch. From here we ran a single Cat6 cable to each one of the displays. Behind the displays we would mount a Zero client, then use a short HDMI cable to send the digital video straight to the screen. This made the cabling and installation quite neat and simple, while also being cost effective. There are many brands on the market that make video wall screens. We spent a lot of time going through all the different manufacturers and weighing up the pros and cons. However, after weighing up the features, reliability and reputation and value for money, we decided on Samsung.
We've been working with K2 Audiovisual for around 6 years on various projects, and we were successful with this latest project to use our latest 1.7mm image-to-image narrow bezel video wall panel, which gave a crisp, bright image and required next to no calibration out of the box.
One of the elements that made our solution unique was the way we controlled the video wall. Using our in-house control systems engineer, we created custom software to power the displays on and off and control the audio from a touch panel in reception. We were also able to set the delays in our software to have the wall turn on in stages to prevent any tripping of circuit breakers. We had a total of 8 technicians working on the job and roughly took about 8 days of work. The video wall is roughly 9.5 meters high from the ground to the top and was built using 41 individual 55-inch displays. The brackets we used were cantilever with both up, down, in and out adjustments. This really helped us to get the wall perfectly flush. Overall, both the client and we were very happy with the end result. It turned out to be an iconic deployment that we are proud to put our name to. If you would like any information on what a video wall can do for your business in any size or shape, please feel free to contact us at K2 Audiovisual. Thanks.